Prepare for the future of Apple with our ultimate WWDC 2026 recap, showcasing the revolutionary Apple Intelligence and Siri AI. Apple just blew everyone away, with monumental advancements set to transform your iPhone, Mac, and Apple Watch experiences. This isn't just an update. Siri is getting a complete brain transplant, powered by Google's cutting-edge Gemini AI models, making it dramatically smarter, more intuitive, and unbelievably proactive. Imagine your Apple devices anticipating your needs, understanding context, and seamlessly integrating into your life with unprecedented intelligence, all thanks to Apple Intelligence. Developers are already diving into the beta versions of iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and watchOS, revealing a future where your tech truly thinks alongside you. These groundbreaking features are poised to redefine what's possible, promising an unrivaled level of intelligence across your Apple ecosystem. Don't miss out on understanding how these changes will impact you in 2025 and beyond. Check the description for links to dive deeper into Apple's 2026 vision and prepare for the AI revolution heading your way.